Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. I'm going to discuss about AgeML, age modeling with machine learning. I'm going to discuss about the overview of the project. This project focuses on predicting human age using machine learning models trained on health and demographic data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey dataset. We start by collecting three National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey datasets or demographic, lab result and physical examination. These datasets are merged using a unique ID. Missing values are handled and irrelevant columns are removed, and categorical data is encoded to prepared for modeling. We use three models: support vector regression, ridge regression, and linear regression to predict chronological age. The performance is evaluated using mean absolute error and root mean square error and R square. The difference between predicted and actual age, known as age delta, is also calculated and classified. Bar charts compare model performance while other plots show which features most affected prediction errors. We also explore age delta patterns across groups such as gender. This project demonstrates how machine learning can estimate biological age and uncover patterns in health data. This is our abstract of our project. This is our workflow diagram. First, we need to collect the data set from Kaggle and carry out to the pre-processing step, handling the missing values and the label encoding, and carry out to the data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test, and carry out to the regression. I used three models: linear regression and support vector regression and ridge regression, and carry out to the performance metrics. I calculate mean absolute error and root mean square error and R square. And finally, prediction. This is our workflow diagram. See our demo of our project. This is the register page of the project. The user needs to enter the username, password. All fields are required and checked before submission. After successfully registered, the data is stored in the database. Already the user registered the page, directly going to the login page. This is the login page. The user must enter the username and password. This helps the system secure and prevents unauthorized access. Click login. The workflow page. First, we need to collect the data set. I used three files, three datas. One is demographic, next is lab, and next is physical examination data set are collected, and three data sets are merged in one file. 9,830 rows and 693 columns. And the next step is pre-processing. I cleaned the data, is removed unwanted columns, and the next step is data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test. This is the data splitting. The whole data set split, train and test. The next is Regression, I used three models: linear regression, support vector regression, and a rich regression. Display the model performance comparison of three models. Display the mean absolute error value. And next step is performance metrics. I used mean absolute error and root mean square error and R square error. Display the comparison graph of performance metrics. This is mean absolute square error. This is root mean square error. This is R square comparison graph. This is the feature correlation with the age delta. Uh, this is gender analysis, male and female. This is a comparison graph, and this is the age delta classification. Um, Based on the difference, the result is classified as older, younger, or matched to given the user or clear interpretation. And click make a prediction. This is the prediction page, and this is the attributes of our data set. The user needs to enter the uh, current age. All fields are data are entered. The user needs to enter the data and select model. Click predict age. Result page. Prediction successful using rich model, and the prediction result are displayed. View dashboard is going to the workflow page and click log out. It redirect to the login page. This is our project.